Ayun mga Papsi, magandang umaga po at tayo po ay tunay na nasisihan pagka ganitong weekend. Una-una po ay pagka ganito pong weekend, nakakatulog po ako ng medyo maayos. Hindi na po tayo masyadong yung bang ang tulog natin pagka may pasok, hindi po talaga 100%. Nakakalungkot pero almost 60% ang ating tinutulog lang. Kaya medyo nag-aalala tayo sa ating pong kalusugan. Kaya ganito pong weekend, medyo masaya po tayo dahil una-una nakakatulog po tayo ng medyo maayos. Kaya pero ito medyo mag-aano tayo, marami tayong gagawin, syempre weekend. So ayun, nakaalis na naman po si Sadik. At siya raw po ay mako-content din. Sabi ko, ako yung marami rin gagawin kaya hindi ako makakasama. So, subaybayan natin mga Papsi kung ano po yung mga kaganapan. At samahan ninyo ako. At sana po ay huwag kayong magsasawa na sumubaybay sa buhay Saudi ni Papsi. Okay? Diyan lang kayo. At panoorin at samahan ninyo ako. Yahoo! Time check. 10:33 ng umaga po. Medyo nag-aano tayo, walang masyadong trabaho, kaya maglalakad-lakad tayo sa labas. Right. Are yeah. Si ultralight. Dr. Sami. Ha?
Hello.
Ayo. Ano kaya ako? Alright. Oh yeah.
2,000 years later.
Nandito ka na, Sinta. Ayan. Titimpla tayong kape. Magtitimpla tayong kape. Kape. Alright. Salamat sa'yo pagmamahal.
哎呦我的妈！
Sa pag-ibig mo, oh, giliw ko. Oh!
哎呦我的妈！
Titimpla tayong kape, mga paps. Uy. Ito yung ating gagawin. Huwag na muna yung 3-in-1. Ayan. Ito ang ating gagamitin. Rainbow. Beke naman. Ayan. Tapos, aray. Right. Mainit na yung kape. Ay, yung tubig. Tapos sugar. Alright. 1 tablespoon. Oh yeah. Tapos oh. Yan. Lagyan natin. Alright. Yun, no? So, lagyan natin ang mainit na tubig. Yun, no? Alright.
Oh, wow!
Okay. Mekos. Alright. Mekos. Natin kung yung masarap. Alam ko masarap ito. Ito yung ginagamit ng mga Saudi. Yan, ay ano na. Parang nasa labas na si Sadik. Magko-content daw siya sa kanyang fishing. Tayo naman tayo. Gagawa tayo ng content. Tsaka tayo. Tawag nito. Mag-e-edit. Okay. Right. Check natin.
Wow!
Oh, iba naman. May iba naman sa ano. May iba naman sa 3-in-1. Alright. Oh yeah. Lagyan natin ito sa sa rep at baka mamaya. Balihin naman ang ng ipis. Alright. So, okay, mga papsi. Weekend. Alright.
A few moments later.
Ito po ay galing sa sa Pilipinas. Tingnan natin kung ito'y pwede pa. Gagawin nating maruya. Again. I see. Naka. Palagay ko hindi na maganda rin. Hindi na. Hindi na maganda. Hindi na magandang iba ay ano, inilagay ni sa dik sa benay sa nilagang baka. Yung kinain ko. Ayan. Tingnan ko nga rin kung pwede pa. Kung pwede pa. Nako, hindi na. Sayang naman. Ayan. Oh, hindi na nga pwede. Kakaunti lang. Kakaunti na lang. Ayan. Ayan, pwede pa yan. Yan ay, pagka yan ay nalagyan ng galapong, ay ayos na maruya. Ba, ay napakamahal po din ni Nare. Ito galing po ng Pilipinas, mga papsi. 2 weeks ago. Nako, wala na rin. Oh, wala na. Remedyo siguro ayos pa. Ayan, oh. Medyo okay pare. Ayan. Ayan. So, ito yung ating yubakin.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you
A few moments later.
hate this, I'll always show up and make a
Natin kung mga palalabasan yan. Tingnan natin kung anong kalalabasan. Tingnan natin. Tingnan nga natin kung anong lasa niyan. Sunog ah.
What?
Lasang ipis. Pwede. Ayos. Magandang merihan dito.
A few moments later.
Ay ngayon, ito na ang finished product. Ayan oh. Tunog.
Ayaw di ba?
Napabayaan ko. Pust niya. Buti nga, hindi naging uling yan eh. Ay, tunog eh. Oh. Putragis talaga oh. Pwede pa yan.
my god.
Pwede yung ipamparikit sa kalan eh.
Ayaw di ba?
Ayop. Okay. So, hindi pa ako tapos mag-edit. Maglaba. Yan. Kaya ganyan na nangyari. Okay. So, excuse me po.